Making simple sentences complex. Mastering subordinating conjunctions. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to dive into a very important topic, subordinating conjunctions. We'll focus on how you can use them to combine simple sentences and make your English more fluent and sophisticated. So, let's get started. First, let's understand what subordinating conjunctions are. They are words or phrases that link a dependent clause to an independent clause, creating a complex sentence. Common examples include words like because, although, while, as, until, and many more. Now, a simple sentence is one that has a single independent clause and expresses a complete thought. For example, the sun is shining. I love ice cream. They are short, precise, and get straight to the point. The magic begins when we start combining these simple sentences with subordinating conjunctions. By doing so, we create a complex sentence that provides more information or expresses a more nuanced idea. Let's take two simple sentences. 1. I love ice cream. 2. The sun is shining. Now, let's combine them with a subordinating conjunction, because. I love ice cream because the sun is shining. See how those two simple sentences have now become one complex sentence. Let's try this with a few more examples. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. Simple sentences. 1. I will stay at home. 2. It is raining. Using the subordinating conjunction, because. I will stay at home because it is raining. Or, with, although it is raining, I will go out. And that's it for today. Remember, using subordinating conjunctions to combine simple sentences into complex sentences can make your English more rich and fluent. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. We hope this video was helpful and you're now more confident in using subordinating conjunctions. Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.